Hamilton Beach Programmable Coffee Maker is built for those who want a reliable and effortless coffee routine at home. With a generous 12-cup capacity, it easily serves individuals, couples, or a full household without repeated brewing. The programmable timer allows you to set your brew the night before, so you can wake up to freshly brewed coffee ready and waiting. Its straightforward controls make it accessible for anyone, whether in a busy kitchen or office space. The brewing performance focuses on consistency and convenience, delivering a smooth and balanced cup with each cycle. Many users appreciate the brew strength control, allowing a bolder or lighter taste depending on preference. The pause and serve feature is useful when you can't wait for the full pot to finish, letting you pour a cup mid-brew without spills. An automatic shutoff adds peace of mind, especially in busy mornings, while the warming plate helps maintain temperature for extended periods. The glass carafe pours cleanly, and the drip system is designed to minimize mess and overflow, making daily use simple and dependable. Maintenance is also straightforward, with a removable filter basket that simplifies cleanup after each brew cycle. The design focuses on practicality, fitting well into most kitchen spaces without taking up too much counter area. It's a strong option for those who want an affordable programmable coffee maker that delivers consistent results without unnecessary complexity. Ideal for households, small offices, or anyone upgrading from a basic drip machine, it balances functionality with ease of use. Overall, it stands out as a dependable daily brewer that gets the job done efficiently and consistently.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.